Welcome to the channel. Unity in diversity brings harmony to the people. This video lists about Indian lifestyle, festivals, arts, culture, freedom fighters, famous people, facts, and languages. Please subscribe to the channel. Let us get into the content. Music. Hindustani is classical music of North India. Carnatic is classical music of South India. Indian pop music, modern beats. 6. Indian classic dance. Bharatanatyam is a dance of Tamil Nadu in southern India. Kathakali comes from Kerala. Kathak comes from North India. Manipuri comes from Manipur. Kuchipudi comes from Andhra Pradesh. Odissi comes from Orissa. 9 popular festivals of India. 9 nights festival for goddesses Navratri. 1 night festival Mahasivaratri. Harvest festival Pongal. New Year Vishu. Tamil Puthindu Ugadi. Thanksgiving ceremony to Lord Murugan Thapusam. Dance festival Nityanjali. Festival of Lights Deepavali, Tirukartigai Deepam. Festival of Colors Holi. Birthday Vinayak Chaturthi. 12 Facts of India. India's first moon satellite Chandrayaan is the first to detect water on the moon. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to former Indian President, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. India has the largest postal network in the world. There is only one time zone across all of India. The world's 6th largest economy by nominal GDP, $5 trillion economy by 2030. The Indian women's team as well as men's team won 5 Kabaddi World Cups. Martial arts was first created in India. Chess game was invented in India. Yoga originated in India. The largest vegetarian-friendly country in the world. Largest producer of milk, banana, and cashew nuts in the world. Coal is major source of energy. 6. Culture and heritage of India. Greeting by saying Namaskaram, Vanakkam, Namaste, Namashkar, Swagatham. Marriages with rituals. Joint family system. Sari and dhoti are the basic traditional wear of the people. Ayurveda, Siddha traditional medicine systems. North Indian foods contains more use of the wheat but it is the rice in South India. South Indian include more coconut in food and the dishes have higher water content. 9 Freedom fighters. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. Mahakavi Subramanya Bharatiyar. Veera Mandi Velunachayar. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Kappalutya Tamilzan, VOC. Jawaharlal Nehru. Subhash Chandra Bose. Chempaka Raman Pillai. And many. 15 famous people in India. Former President of India, Missile Man of India APJ Abdul Kalam. K. Kamraj, former Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, India. Sportsperson Mahendra Singh Dhoni, 2011 Cricket World Cup winner team captain. Rahul Dravid nicknamed the Wall Padma Shri and Padma Bhushan. He has also been named to the ICC Hall of Fame. Sundar Pichai, CEO of Google. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Ratan Tata, an Indian industrialist. Badminton player PV Sindhu, first Indian woman to receive an Olympic silver. Indian female tennis player Sania Mirza. Padma Shri and National Award winning actor Arfan Khan. Vijay, an Indian film actor. Mammootty, an Indian film actor. Indian film actress Sri Devi. Actress Priyanka Chopra, the winner of Miss World 2000. Oscar Award winner A.R. Rahman. 21 things to know about Indian languages. The 6 official languages of UNESCO are Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian and Spanish. Tamil language was declared a classical language by UNESCO. UNESCO declared Bengali to be the sweetest language globally. The 7 classical languages of the world are Latin, Greek, Tamil, Mandarin, Sanskrit, Arabic and Hebrew. Currently, 6 languages enjoy the classical status declared by Indian government because of their long history. Tamil declared in 2004, Sanskrit 2005, Kannada 2008, Telugu 2008, Malayalam 2013, and Odia 2014. Tamil got as an official status. The UNESCO Memory of the World Register in 1997 and 2005 were written in Tamil. The month of January has been declared Tamil Heritage Month by the Parliament of Canada. The official language of India is English and Hindi. No language has been given the status of national language. Telugu is an Indian language which is known as the Italian of the East. English is the official language of the Supreme Court and High Court is directed by the Constitution of India. The world's second largest English-speaking nation is India. Half the world is bilingual. English dominates the digital world. Japanese is the fastest spoken language. Asia has most language and Europe has the least. 30% of the English words are derived from French. Hindi is Indo-Aryan language that is written in Devanagari script. It is the 4th most spoken language in the world. Bengali is the 2nd most spoken language of India. Marathi the 3rd most spoken language in India. Kannada is also one of the oldest languages in the world. Malayalam is closely related to Tamil and spoken in Kerala. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment your opinions.